Hello, yara na kayo Palacio Hotel. Magtiyo rin ako. Ito pa ma'am. Kaya na ka. Ay, ambita ba ni Jing? Mini sab. Kaya na ka, umad to pataas. Ang sung sa kata ka umad to. Naingat na ba yan? Ang bitadya? May ingat dasan. Yan na ipulaiwan yaman niya. Lalang. Yan na. Yan kayo. Ayusin ta ka wajingin sa nyawa ha. Sa nyawa ba? Masin ta kan sa nyawa. Yari rin. Ayan, na mama nga. Mag. Hotel Palacio. Yan o. Dari kami nagtiaon ina yama nagtiaon siupa iniban mo isiupa iniban mo mama isiupa Siupa. Oh, English speaking yan.
And here he comes once again, a round of applause please. Palakpakan po natin ang ating group, Haji Osimar Ibala. Ladies and gentlemen. Emotional moment and cafe. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. With pride and honor, I give you our lovely and radiant bride, Hajja Nurjana Amin Khalifa. welcomes once again Nurul Jana Amin Khalifa.
Mama, gitu deh, Mama.
And let's give the bride and the groom a round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, meeting halfway.
that shall rebuild the world. And to better explain the concept and hikmah of marriage, maayo kami waktu niyo na nag-listen to Ustaz Idris Din for a khutbah nida.
Ako naging babae. Kasi naalala ko
And ang bawal.
and we are forever and ever. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave my heart to you. Nalawa sa inyong pagkausugin mo yung mga plan ko.
For a new chapter in my life, for a beautiful beginning I get to share with you. So I want you to know that from this day forward, you will never be alone.
Wait.
What lies ahead is uncertain, but with you by my side.
Hari na ingat mo lang. Baby. Ayun, pinayaman mo ka.
Next we have Attorney Jahidin F. Handa and Madam Catherine S. Masaludin. Again, Attorney Jahidin F. Handa and Madam Catherine S. Masaludin. Senior and Haja Putli Pangaluto.
Ah, ito yun niya, katakam.
And then retired police inspector Alex. Okay, calling on Sabrine. Flower girl. Tama ba? Hey Sabrine, where are you? Sabrine.
Nag-propose siya ng bigla na lang. It's like spur of the moment. Hindi siya nag-propose sa akin. Nag-propose siya actually sa nanay ko. Pero masaya naman kasi pinakita niya sa akin kung gaano ako kahalaga sa life niya.
Nang nakilala ko siya, nakilala ko rin mga anak namin. Kasi
My dear Father, congratulations to us. Today, I woke up with profound gratitude to Allah for a new chapter in my life, for a beautiful feeling I get to feel.
Hello, Ama.
Alas mo.
Video?
Oh. Ha?
Mangyati sa bukon, ako magsukay, baka ako na magmakat. Hello, hello, ka kami.
Ate ah.